Welcome back to the VSC channel. I'm using the Vivo X100 Ultra with the latest update that is introducing some changes to stabilize the video recording with, they call it the back camera. So this is the main camera, guys. Now I'm shooting with the front camera. This is 4K 60 FPS. I'm gonna turn back and let you enjoy this beautiful view. Alright, so I'm gonna cycle through all the zoom lenses. Right now I'm gonna go back from the ultra wide to the 1X. Alright, then I'm gonna cycle to 2X. Okay, keep looking. I'm gonna go to 3.7, and then I'm gonna hit you with the 10X. Okay, and now I'm gonna give you a bit more of that sweet 10X view. Alright, just take a look at this. The idea is that with the latest update, the footage should be really stabilized. And from what I see right now, using 10X, it is indeed quite stable. So if I am to move slowly, it's very good, and I don't see any visible jitters with this. All right, and now guys, I'm gonna go crazy with the 20X mode. All right, so 4K 60 FPS 20X is the maximum that I can do. Here, this is the Cathedral Alexander Nevsky, okay, 20X. What I'm gonna do right now, guys, I'm gonna go and start recording my screen and try to show you how good I can focus from the ultra wide to 100X. And if you like footage like this, you know what to do. All right, sub for the channel. As I promised, right now I am using the 1X. Okay, one more time back to the ultra wide 1X. I'm gonna go and show you 2X. This is gonna be 3.7. now I'm gonna immediately jump to 10X. My goal is to show you that church, the cathedral. All right, so this is now 35. All right, let me just try to find it. It's here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna shoot 60X on the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, guys. And now this is the whooping 100. All right, and I'm trying to move, by the way, to test the stabilization, and it seems to be really good. So 100X. Okay, so I'm gonna now give you, this is 0.6, 10X, 0.6, okay, 3.7, 2, 1, 0.6, 10. All right, and now I'm gonna really try to give you like the best that I can do, starting from 0 to 100, which is not so possible because the dial is very big, but you pretty much get the idea. Now let's take a look at the sample. All right, 100X. Okay, 60, impressive. Okay, let me know what you think down below in the comments, guys, and I really hope that you enjoy footage like this and that the new update was really able to stabilize the video recording. And one more final try. All right, I'm gonna try to pan left and right with 3.7, left and right with 10X, and now use the maximum 20X. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and if you like content like this, sub for the channel. VST over and bye.